Hi everyone, I'm Pallavi Iyengar. Come, let's make a nice South Indian rice payasam. Switch the gas on, and into this we'll add ghee, and we'll let that melt. I've taken some kolam rice. So what I've done is I have washed it really well. I added some water and let it soak for about 20 minutes, and I have drained it. So that's there. And to this, let's add some cashew nuts. So let's just put that. So as you can see, it has started to become golden, and this is when I'm going to remove it because it's going to become darker as you know with the carryover cooking. So let's just drain it into a bowl, and into the same pan we'll add the milk. It's okay if there's ghee, it adds more flavor. All we have to do now is let the milk come to a boil. So as you can see, the milk is boiling really well. Let's reduce the gas to low, and now we add the rice. Just stir it. The rice has become nice and soft. See, it's mashing so nicely. And now it's time to add the sugar, and sugar is as per your taste. This much should be enough. And with this, I'm also going to add some chopped cashew nuts and some almonds, finely chopped, and a pinch of green cardamom powder, which is very essential in a payasam because it adds a nice floral aroma and also some flavor. Just stir this. Rice payasam is one of the easiest desserts to make, especially when you have guests over, because you know we all have rice at home and of course milk, and you know it hardly takes any time. It's looking very nice and the payasam is coming together really nicely. Now let's make the consistency better, and I'm going to add cream. This much should be enough. We just stir it once, and as you can see, the payasam is already looking richer, and even the color has changed slightly off-white, which is beautiful. The rice payasam is looking very nice. The consistency of the payasam is perfect. And you should always have a nice warm payasam. This is a very traditional payasam that we make even for weddings and auspicious events. It's also called as pal payasam. Pal means milk, and payasam is of course payasam kheer. And we add a little bit of rice to add a little body to the payasam. Nice bowl of warm rice payasam. And now you remember the fried cashew nuts. We're going to put that as garnish. It's okay even if it sinks in. And a little bit of saffron. So there you have it, this rich, thick rice payasam. So do try this recipe for your friends and family, and trust me, it is going to be irresistible.